Welcome to Doosan Infracore Machine Tools. Doosan Infracore Machining Tools was established in 1976 with 3 manufacturing plants in Changwon and 1 manufacturing plant in Yantai, China. Doosan Infracore Machine Tools manufactures turning centers, machining centers, boring machines, double column machining centers, and Swiss turns. Now let's begin the tour of the key facilities in Namsan plant, which is our primary manufacturing plant. We maintain a 25% R&D manpower ratio, which is the highest in the world, and we are making continuous and bold R&D investments. The construction of South Korea's largest machine tools R&D center, completed in 2008, has been the driving force behind our ability to develop world-class products. The 5-phase machining center is capable of machining in 5 phases and up to 72 hours of automated operation with a single setup. It is primarily used to process beds for turning centers and machining centers. The 2 HMC FMS lines consist of 3 NHM 8000 horizontal machining centers, multi-pallet storage facility, rail guide vehicle, workpiece setup stations, washing stations, and central command systems. It is capable of up to 72 hours of automated machining of medium-sized castings and matrix tool magazines, each with 262 tool capacity. The 5-phase machining FMS maximizes productivity, as it is capable of automatic machining on 5 phases, with a single setup on large castings such as lathe beds. The line is fully controlled by a host computer and is capable of up to 72 hours of automated operation. This is where the high-precision parts of machining tools are finished machined, such as lathe headstocks. This area is temperature and humidity controlled to maintain the highest level of precision. At the spindle grinding center, the spindles and sleeves for turning centers, machining centers, and boring machines are ground with precision. This area is also controlled for temperature and humidity. This is the turning center and machining center spindle head assembly area. The temperature is controlled at 20 degrees plus minus 1 degree Celsius, and humidity is controlled below 60% for maintaining the highest level of precision. The clean room for assembling bearings maintain the same level of cleanliness as that of semiconductor manufacturing facilities. In the turning center assembly line, each unit is assembled using a cell production system, where one person is responsible for every step of the assembly work. These technicians are experienced and highly trained, and are fully capable of producing high-quality turning centers. By operating a precision measurement center accredited by the government, we are striving to achieve unparalleled levels of quality technologies for the manufacture of cutting-edge, high-value-added products. The machining center assembly line is where high-precision, high-value-added equipment such as horizontal machining centers and 5-axis machining are assembled. The Optimal Solution Center conducts durability and quality testing of new models before production launch. The Reliability Research Center conducts durability and quality testing on individual machine elements such as spindles and index tables to achieve the optimum level of quality and reliability. Doosan Infracore Machine Tools operates automated machining and assembly systems based on its abundant experience and know-how and aims to achieve the highest level of productivity by providing optimal solutions based on state-of-the-art engineering. The Service Center provides total engineering services, including consultation and information about machining tools. It also offers free training to dealers around the world for CNC machine tools. The Service Parts Warehouse maintains inventory of a wide range of components to supply parts to customers in a timely manner and respond to customers' requests in real time. The Seunju plant, which began operating in January 2014, is situated not very far away from the Namsan plant. The plant, which is built for the concentrated production of large-sized, high-end machine tools, in line with the growth of large-sized machining markets, is Doosan Machine Tools' latest manufacturing plant, reflecting all of the know-how that it has accumulated for decades as a leading producer of machine tools. It boasts a huge workspace, 15,292 square meters, with a height of 20 meters, and is suited for the production of large machine tools such as horizontal and vertical turning centers, with a chuck size of over 25 inches and a maximum machining diameter of 1.4 meters, large boring machines, large vertical machining centers, and 5-phase double-column machines. It is equipped with a crane that can lift workpieces weighing as much as 50 tons. These are a BM machine, which is a high-speed double-column machining center, and a DBC machine, a NC horizontal boring machine. Designed to carry out the machining of large workpieces, BM machines are assembled on this assembly line. For DBC machines, the line is equipped with a production support lineup that can meet diverse machining needs ranging from mid-large-size parts machining to mold machining. This is a DCM, a 5-phase double-column machining center. It can support all processes from heavy cutting to precision machining, from parts machining to mold machining. Bases are assembled here for the large-sized mold machining centers and a large-sized ram-type vertical turning center. Sub-assembly work is also carried out here. The assembled modules are transferred to the assembly lines for the final stage of assembly work. The large-sized ram-type vertical turning center is equipped with a wide machining space and powerful cutting capacity. The large-sized mold machining center's machine can work on large molds quickly and precisely. The VCF 850, designed for 5-axis high-end machining centers, is assembled here. The VCF 850 series is a column-moving machine. Of all the machines of the same class, it has the widest X-axis, yet it fulfills all our customers' needs thanks to its compact size and diverse applications. This is the assembly line of large-sized horizontal turning centers, including the Puma 600, 700, 800, which has a chuck size of more than 18 inches and can perform 2-axis and Y-axis machining. A single setup is sufficient for the multiple machining of large and long parts. This mid-sized cutting-turning center is suitable for Y-axis milling machining. Doosan Machine Tools will always do its very best to present the best products and optimal solutions reflecting our customers' needs. Thank you.